G'day and welcome back on this wet, windy, miserable looking weekend. Now to spruce up this weekend, we're going to be doing some shotgun shells. So let's get stuck into it. Alright, real simple prep work for these shotgun shells. All you're going to need is a couple of your sausages, a knife, a bowl, and of course your beer. We've got two different types of sausages today. We've got a beef Texan chili and a Greek lamb. All we want to do is just slice our casing open. Peel the casings out. We're also going to throw in with our sausages about a handful of grated cheddar cheese. We'll give that a mix. Alrighty, the good thing about these is you can literally throw absolutely anything you like inside. I normally like doing real fine chopped up jalapenos with some of your favourite barbecue rub, but today we've just gone really simple: sausage mince and our beautiful cheddar cheese. Get your cannelloni shell, grab a handful of your mixture and just spoon it in there. Beautiful. Set that aside. Tell you what, these Greek lamb sausages smell absolutely incredible. I actually haven't done these shotgun shells with these Greek ones before, so we'll see how they go. The reason I like using my hands as well is you might find that you form a bit of an air bubble. That way you can just really push it in there and push all that air out of there. Alright, now with these little beauties, what you want to do is just wrap with some streaky bacon. Try and cover all of the pasta, like so. You want that bacon and sausage meat to really soak in this pasta so they're not crunchy. Oh yeah, mama. Now if you do find you get bits like that, don't stress, because this is the day before we're going to start smoking them, so this pasta should soften up in the fridge overnight anyway. So don't stress too much if you're doing it the day before. You bloody little ripper. Alright, we're going to leave these in the fridge like this overnight, and then tomorrow arvo we're going to fire up the smoker and get these cranking. So we'll see you tomorrow. Alright, 24-ish hours later, and you can see our pasta shell has really softened up. We're going to get these into the smoker now at 120 degrees Celsius. We're just going to whack them on a foil tray. Right, we're about an hour and 15 in. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, they're coming along nicely. See how fast? Oh, look at them. Oh yeah. Alright, I want our bacon to crisp up a little bit more, so I'm just going to turn this up to about 180 degrees now. Just to crisp up that bacon a little bit. We'll see you in about 20. Alright, it's been another 10 minutes. Let's have a look. Oh yeah. See that bacon crisping up nicely. Alright, I reckon it's time to glaze. Now if you're looking for an internal temperature, we want to be around 74 degrees Celsius. So if you're anywhere above that, then you should be sweet. Give these a light glaze with some of your favourite barbecue sauce. Add that on there. Alright, we'll give these 5 minutes to set, then we can tuck in. Here we have our gorgeous little shotgun shells. Have a look at that. Just cut one open. Oh yeah. These are perfect for those little side dish or a little entree. Let's have a taste. Tell you what, that Greek lamb is absolutely spectacular. I had completely forgotten what was what. But that one's definitely that Greek lamb and just absolute perfection. Give these a go because they will not disappoint. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching and we'll see you on the next one. Alright, real simple prep work. Alright, real simple prep work. I just did it again. Alright, real. Got two different types of sausages today. We've got. Kind of defeats the purpose of wearing glass if you only got one on. F you, man. Get out of it! Wait, honestly. You just ate that, didn't you? Yep, you little shit. Always seem to crack the first one. Without fail. Back to the brim! Okay. Yeah. Oh, you're barking at you. Scare the shit out of me. Poke your head through the doggy door and then just off. You little bastard. Wish I could turn the camera and show you the dogs. But my hands are covered in sausage mince. There's a broken pasta bit. Oh, you motherfucker. Oh.